Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Anuj Sharma speaking from UAE Expo 2020. I'm CEO of Little Guru, the Sanskrit gamification learning app, and we have an excellent presence in the UAE Expo 2020 Innovation Hub, which is a new initiative by the India Pavilion, where a lot of startup and growth companies have been represented. So Little Guru is very happy and proud to be present here, and it's very exciting for us to start stepping out in the marketplace now after having established our product and having done soft launch in about 60 countries. Now we are stepping out in the market, and UAE is our first stop, where we want to meet the people, teachers, professors, scholars, business people, cultural institutions, people who would like to be associated with Sanskrit language, would like to learn it. So we are here now, and Sanskrit is a language which has been there for very long. So what is it that Little Guru is doing different? We have an approach where we use technology and gamification. We believe that when you convert any situation into a sort of a play, a game, people get more engaged, they get more involved, and their tendency to learn something increases. And we found that today's generation is so much into apps, so much into new type of games to engage them. We need to create something like that. So we actually married two things: very traditional Sanskrit language and very modern technology to bring out this Little Guru app. And we are very happy we did that, because the kids are loving it. They actually go and read the lessons, chapters, look for the badges they've won, compare it with their friends, and see the levels they've reached. The initial levels, level 0, level 1 are the basic levels, then level 2, 3, 4, 5 are the advanced levels, and some of them move to higher levels. So the idea is that now it's spreading across. A lot of people who wanted to learn Sanskrit but never got to doing that are doing it. So we are very happy to do that, and we feel that one aspect of Sanskrit, which is its linkage to technology, is something that people would love in future. We are genuinely working on Sanskrit coding, and we would be bringing out some events related to that very soon, where people can think about how you can really code in Sanskrit language, because it's a very structured, organized language. So that's some of the initiatives we are coming out with. So for me, myself, I always have believed that our own culture and heritage, wherever you're from, is within us, and is within the language and the books that have been written before. So I've found that sometimes we don't find the discovery of ourselves in a typical Western or any other setup, that we have grown up in. Sometimes you have to look within. And I feel that Sanskrit allows a lot of people of Indian origin and people across the world to do that. And for people who are overseas, for them to connect with the ancient civilization of India, you need to know Sanskrit. So that has been one of my motivation. I also feel that my next generation, not only my kids, but kids of the world, should have a better chance to learning these ancient languages. So why not create something for them which can last through a generation? So that has been my motivation in creating this. The Government of India, especially ICCR and our embassies, have been very supportive of this, helping us launch in different countries, providing a platform, and we are very thankful for that. And it's a wonderful innovation which has been done in the Innovation Hub by a Mahaman team, bringing a lot of these initiatives together at one place, and we are able to reach you through that initiative. So thank you for that.